Hello YouTube, and today I'm showing you how to get your PS3 DualShock 6-axis controller working on your computer desktop 32-bit or 64-bit Windows 7 or Windows Vista. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. What you want to do first is you want to go to these sites here, which will be linked in the description for you. They are both the 64-bit, which is this one, and the 32-bit, sorry, which is this one. Now, it's a free download, so you won't have to fill in any surveys or anything. And once you downloaded that, then you'll have this file. You want to double click on this. You want to say yes to any pop-ups. Then on a setup, you just want to go install everything. And I just leave that checked. If you want to, you can uncheck it, but I just leave it checked anyway when it finishes. And when the install finishes, it loads up a web page. You just want to close that down and then just return. And then motionjoy gamepad tool would load. And the next thing you want to do from there is you want to click load driver. Now you want to click load driver because this will install the main drivers that will make your controller be recognized by this program. Without this, then your controller won't work on your computer basically. And just to tell you that doing this wouldn't affect your actual controller. As soon as you unplug it from your your computer, sorry, it will work on your PS3 straight after. Okay, carry on from here. From after you've loaded the driver and you've had install completed, you're going to want to click on the game control panel. And then I have got Xbox 360 wireless receiver for Windows here. Now I'll show you why I've got that, but you should have a motionjoy gamepad controller. And I've got the Xbox controller because after you've checked if you've got your motionjoy here, you're going to want to go into home. And when it loads, you're going to want to see your connected game controller. It should say DualShock 3 sixaxis USB. Now, if it doesn't say this, then you've gone wrong somewhere, and what I advise you to do is reinstall the driver and try and do it again. Or if not, unplug your PS3 controller and plug it back in. And make sure you've downloaded the right 64-bit or 32-bit, otherwise that probably would make it not work. Now, carrying on, earlier on you saw that I had Xbox 360 controller. I had that because previously I've had it set to Xbox 360 because that's the only one that's worked for me so far. Other videos have said to have it on the analog gamepad too. That hasn't worked for me, but I've had it on this. And if you select this and then click enable, this will basically do exactly the same to yours as to mine, and hopefully it's going to make it work. After you've done that, you want to click on game controller panel, and then from there you will see the Xbox 360 wireless receiver for Windows, which would be up to the same stage. And then from there you want to click properties, and this will show you all of your buttons working. Let's move the thumbsticks. As you can see, let me move my mouse out of the way. As you can see, the X and Y rotation are both working fine. R1, L1 fine. R2, L2 are working. X, circle, triangle, square working. PS buttons not working, but it should work in the game depending on what game you're on. I play F1 2010 down here, and I'll show you how I've set it up on there for it to the Xbox controller if you do play that game. But it should be the same in any other game, which I will be doing some videos on later on. So subscribe and you would see the videos posted up. Okay, basically from here it's all worked up. Your D-pad's working, everything's working. So you want to click OK to this, OK to this, and then just minimize that, and then basically you're done. So this video is how to get your PS3 DualShock 6-axis controller working on your PC for games like COD or F1 2010, like I just said. Some videos are the same, but not shown in the same way. But this does not affect anything to do with your PS3. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if it doesn't work for you, just comment below, and I'll try and help you out and get the problem resolved. Thanks for watching.